A day after announcing that they will boycott shows hosted by some news anchors, the India Bloc released the list of the news anchors on Thursday, 14 September. In what is being called a fresh attack by the opposition bloc on the Modi government, some anchors have been marked and their shows and events will thereby be boycotted. The alliance has accused these anchors of presiding over hate-filled news discussions. They have declared their intention to refrain from participating in shows hosted by the following anchors: Aman Chopra, Amish Devgan and Anand Narsimha of News 18, Chitra Tripathi and Sudhir Chaudhary of Aaj Tak, Saurav Sawant and Shiv Arur, India Today, Prachi Parashar, India TV, Arnab Goswami, Republic Bharat, Rubika Liaquat, Bharat 24, Navika Kumar and Sushant Sinha, Times Now Nav Bharat, Aditi Tyagi, Bharat Express, Ashok Srivastav, DD News. Talking about the decision, Congress leader Pawan Khera said, "We have made this decision with a heavy heart. We are not opposed to any of these anchors. We don't hate any of these anchors, but we love our country more. We love our Bharat." The India Bloc aims to sway public opinion, which is believed to be captured by BJP through mainstream media houses. The opposition parties have been dependent on social media and independent journalists to achieve this bid and amplify their message. There are some anchors who conduct provocative debates. We'll make a list of them and India Alliance partners will stop going to their shows, AAP MP Raghav Chaddha said earlier. Meanwhile, the BJP and many journalists have condemned the move and called it an attack on the freedom of press. Reacting to the list, Aaj Tak anchor Sudhir Chaudhary said, "India Alliance has released a list of those journalists who refused to become Charan Chumbak. Now it remains to be seen what answer the Indian media gives to this." Adding to it, Aditi Tyagi said, "My name is first in the list of those asking questions for the country. Tyagis, don't fear. Jai Hind." Well, since Hamid Ansari's interview, I have been carrying this boycott badge with pride, but I have still not stopped asking questions. Boycott is the biggest badge of honor for a journalist. Thank you for this honor. Aman Chopra, who is also part of the list, posted on X. Another anchor, Rubika Liaquat, said, "It's not called banning, it's called fear. This is called running away from questions, not boycotting journalists. You have a habit of saying yes to yes men. I have not done that before and will not do that in future. Have the courage to ban those leaders who are serving hatred in the shop of love." 28 parties are scared of 14 journalists. DD News Ashok Srivastav posted on X. Union Minister Anurag Thakur on Thursday hit out at the opposition bloc India over its decision to boycott certain television news anchors. While speaking to reporters in poll-bound Rajasthan, Thakur called the move Emergency 2.0. The steps that the India Alliance have taken against the media is Emergency 2.0. This shows that they do not believe in democracy, he said.
देखिए, जो इंडी अलायंस ने पत्रकारों के खिलाफ जो किया है वो एमरजेंसी 2.0 है। एक एमरजेंसी इंदिरा गांधी जी ने दी थी, दूसरा एक गठबंधन गठबंधन यानी कि इंडी अलायंस के नेताओं ने दिया है। ये अपने आप में दिखाता है इनका लोकतंत्र में विश्वास नहीं। आप बंगाल देख लीजिए, तमिलनाडु देख लीजिए, एक के बाद दूसरा विपक्ष का ऐसा राज्य जहां पत्रकारों के खिलाफ मुकदमे दर्ज किए जाते हैं, अब उनका बहिष्कार करने की बात करते हैं। ये अपने आप में दबाव बनाकर मीडिया के ऊपर जो पाना चाहते हैं, इससे बड़ी शर्मनाक बात कोई और नहीं। जो अभिव्यक्ति की आज़ादी की बात करते थे, मीडिया की ऑटोनॉमी की बात करते थे, आज वो सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण बने हैं कि मीडिया को कुचलने का, दबाव बनाने का प्रयास किसी ने किया है तो घमंडिया गठबंधन ने किया है।
Thakur's cabinet colleague Hardeep Singh Puri also hit out at the opposition. The only instance we have seen of civil liberties being curtailed in India was during the emergency in 1975. Open calls for eradication of Sanatan Dharma, FIRs against journalists and boycott of media reflect politics of those dark years of emergency. True face of India Alliance, the Union Minister posted on social media platform X. Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sarma said, "Today the India Alliance has boycotted a few journalists. The same people who were lecturing us on freedom of speech have shown their intolerant attitude by boycotting news anchors. If these people come to the government, the first thing they will do is impose press censorship."
Today, India Alliance has boycotted few journalists. The same people who was lecturing us on the freedom of speech, they themselves by boycotting people or news anchor, they have proved their intolerant attitude. If these people come to government, the first thing they will do to impose the press censorship. So this is just a replica. They did it in 1975, and they will do it again if they got the opportunity. They first attacked Hindu Dharam, they attacked Sanatan, now they are attacking press. One by one institution related to Bharat, they are demolishing.
The News Broadcaster and Digital Association (NBDA) on Thursday expressed concern over the decision of the India Bloc to not send their representatives to the shows and events hosted by 14 journalists and news anchors. The decision taken by the India Media Committee sets a dangerous precedent, NBDA said in a statement. The association said that the ban goes against the ethos of democracy and is a sign of intolerance. The NBDA urged the opposition alliance to withdraw its decision as it would amount to browbeating journalists and stifling freedom of speech and expression of the media.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.